Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. This time I'm going to be going for a green eyeshadow, and I normally don't like green, but this colour by MAC is bomb.com and I had to try it out, and just as I thought, it looks amazing. We have the beautiful model Beatrice again, and I'm going to link her information down below so you can follow her on Instagram and also check out her YouTube channel. She's starting a YouTube channel and she's going to be having beauty, hair and fashion videos on her channel, so check it out. She's going to be loading a video today which is going to be a whole video showing off items that she's purchased, dresses. So if you want to see how we did this gorgeous green eyeshadow, and this is like a nice summer to fall transition look, because this can be very summery and it can be very fall at the same time. So if you want to see how we did this look, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this makeup video. So here it is, we're done. It is perfect. It's just eye popping, and she has really light brown eyes that just pop with green, and it just brings out her eyes. I love the lip combination and the eyeshadow, and everything came out so perfect. So here it is. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you liked about this video in the comment section, and also go and subscribe to Beatrice's channel. Also follow her on Instagram. All her information will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next makeup video. Love you dolls. Have a nice day. Bye.